Hey everyone, this is Gabriel from Acevacuum Cleaners in Fairfax, Virginia. On today's video, we're going to be talking about Riccar's Prima full-size nozzle and Prima's Tandem air nozzle. And this is especially for customers who have tough decision making of choosing one over the other. To clarify those kind of doubts, we'll go in for a quick demo with a pink sand that I have here, and let me sprinkle it over the black rug we have so that it will give you a better visibility of what these nozzles can do. So let me insert the wand into the full size our nozzle. So let me set this on max, and here we go for a quick demo. I'm just doing like 3 to 5 strokes over the pink sand just to see how it picks off the sand off the rug. As you can see, it's cleared almost all the sand. So for naked eyes, you won't see any sand in there. So let's see what the Tandem air does, which is not easy to see with your naked eyes. It can only be seen with the Tandem air. I'm not even running the nozzle over the sand. I'm just going close to it, and you can see how it picks up the unseen pink sand on the rock. So that is starting to market cleaning. So let us go over it and clear from all the pink sand off the rock. So that's it. Now the rug is completely clean. So I hope this video has helped you make a better decision making over full size nozzle and the Tandem air nozzle. So the choice is yours, and if you have any comments, you can leave it in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much. And our address is 11110 Lee Highway for Fairfax store, and 300 Fort Evans Road for the Leesburg store. And our contact number is 703-997-9292 for Fairfax and 2 for the Leesburg store. Thank you.